how to transfer Roblox account to another device. So what I've done here is I've just loaded up roblox.com and we want to click on login. I've just loaded it up on my computer, but you can do this from your phone or iPad. Now from the login screen here, you will see an option called use another device. Once we click on it, you will get a QR code as well as some letters. Now I'm going to use the letters here and I'll switch over to my phone. So it's going to look like this. We want to open up the Roblox application and then we want to click on more here in the bottom right corner. And then if we scroll all the way down, you will see a quick sign in. So here, enter the code from the other device. So I'm just going to go back here and I'll copy the letters which I showed you. So it's going to be 9 like this. Now make sure that you use a device that you trust, so you don't copy somebody else's letters. Don't do it. Click on enter here and the new device will receive. And as you can see, I'm going to switch over to my computer view. So confirm login on your other device. So if we just click on confirm login here like so, then it's gonna like log us in. And if I go back to my computer here, as you can see, it logged me into my account, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.